Can I actually hit the top speed of the fastest car in the world right now? We're about to uncover the absolute fastest production car currently on the planet, and I'm here to dispel some common myths. Determining the fastest car isn't straightforward. Is it about hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour quickly, dominating the quarter mile, or achieving an insane top speed? For this video, we're focusing primarily on verified top speeds. The thing is, top speed isn't just about the car's power. It's also about aerodynamics, gearing, and the right conditions. Various tests and records are set under different circumstances, making direct comparisons tricky. A car's official top speed might be electronically limited or achieved under very specific conditions that might not be easily replicable. When looking at top speeds, we often see numbers that sound almost unbelievable. Some cars claim to hit over 300 miles per hour, but what's crucial is how these speeds are verified. Official records are set on public roads or dedicated tracks with precise measurements. Despite these strict conditions, there are a few cars that stand out from the rest. So, let's talk about some top contenders, shall we? The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is definitely one of them. With its 8-litre W16 engine producing 1,600 horsepower, it actually achieved a verified top speed of 330 miles per hour. Then there's the Hennessy Venom F5, which claims a top speed of 301 miles per hour, thanks to its 7.6-litre twin-turbo V8, churning out 1,817 horsepower. Another car making waves is the SSC Tuatara, boasting a 5.9-litre twin-turbo V8, producing 1,750 horsepower, with a claimed top speed of 238 miles per hour, but aiming for more. The current undisputed fastest car in the world is the SSC Tuatara. No, just kidding. It's actually not. The title belongs to the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. This beast achieved a staggering top speed of 330 miles per hour. What makes it achieve such feats is not just its powerful engine, but also its incredibly aerodynamic design and the extensive work done to reduce drag and increase downforce. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus isn't just about raw power. It's a finely tuned machine that can sustain high speeds. Its top speed of 330 miles per hour was verified on a controlled test track, ensuring its place in the record books. In summary, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is currently the king, with its record-breaking speed of 330 miles per hour. The race for speed is always evolving, with manufacturers continually pushing the limits of what's possible. So, what do you think is the most impressive car? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on automotive records and incredible machines.